Welcome to the world's first end-to-end job search and career platform with everything you need to manage each step in your career all in one place. Welcome to Career.io. Whether you need to create or tune up your resume and cover letter, or you want to find a new job, compare your salary, and prepare for that important interview. If you're looking for professional insight from expert webinars, industry-leading podcasts and blogs, or personalized expert advice, from entry-level right through retirement, Career.io is built for you. As a member, you'll have access to all our latest features, support, and resources, so you're always ready to take that next step. Your Career.io dashboard will evolve with you, letting you optimize your working life and thrive in your professional journey. The world of work is changing faster than ever before, and it's time for career planning to rise to the challenge. Join Career.io, and let's build your future together.